When we look at the current litigation over real estate commissions, we have to understand that the settlement terms are now going into effect as of August 17th of 2024. There is a requirement that if you as a realtor are working with a buyer, that you have a written buyer agreement in place before you show a home or do an open house, specifically or either in person or virtual for a potential buyer that you're working with. Okay. Now you must be working with that buyer. Okay. Do you understand that that's the terms? But with that said, is that you must have a written agreement in place. That written agreement must specify what you as a realtor are going to do, what services you're going to perform, and what compensation is to be paid on behalf of the buyer. Okay. The written agreement forms should be and account for the choice of the consumer and the real estate professional, meaning it should freely allow both parties to negotiate the terms of the relationship.